Today, I'm joined by Ross Armstrong, who is Head of Professional Services at STL Solutions. We're going to be discussing the different types of Certificate of Lawfulness applications. So, Ross, what is the main purpose of our Certificate of Lawfulness application?
Thank you. Yeah, a certificate of lawfulness application simply aims to demonstrate that the use of land or buildings is lawful in planning terms. For example, use as a unit of short-term let accommodation.
And what are the different types of Certificate of Lawfulness applications?
Yeah, there's broadly two different categories that people would qualify for and two different types of arguments that can be made. One is that the described use simply doesn't require planning permission and never did. And the other one, which is the one which people are probably more aware of, is that after 10 years of such use, the use becomes lawful in planning terms automatically. And there's various legal rules that underpin those types of findings, so it's well worth taking sort of professional advice to see if you qualify. But generally speaking, if you were undertaking short-term lettings use, that ought to have benefited from planning permission, and that use persists on an uninterrupted basis continually in a broadly similar manner for more than 10 years, the law will then say that that is no longer a breach of planning control.
And what would be required for a 10-year call or Certificate of Lawfulness?
Different local authorities and different planning officers will look at everything slightly differently, but generally speaking, you need to set out the basis of the use that you've undertaken for those 10 years. You need to then evidence that use, and that can be in the form of a comprehensive bookings type spreadsheet. It might be underpinned by ancillary correspondence between you and guests going back over 10 years. It might be reviews that have been left in public forums or emails between yourself and management companies. There's no hard and fast rules about it, although the laws of evidence do apply. But it will be different perhaps in every case. And again, an experienced consultant will be able to take you through the process.
So, if a operator hasn't been operating for 10 years, is a certificate of lawfulness of any worth to them?
Yes, absolutely. It's well worth applying, depending on where you are in the country. Again, different planning authorities unfortunately have different views on the matter. But as I mentioned before, this 10-year argument is only one of two arguments that can be made. It's entirely possible to obtain a certificate of lawfulness before having crossed the 10-year boundary by making the correct legal arguments that use as short-term let accommodation never ought to have required planning permission in the first place. It's an area that's a little bit more subjective and a little bit more legal and technical. So again, it's well worth approaching a consultant or a professional, someone that might be able to provide a bit of advice in that area.